Are you spending about 500 to 1K for one video production? What if I tell you you can do it for free forever? Do you know that video produces more conversion for you than any other content? So are you doing it? Or because you have no idea how to do it? What if I tell you I can teach you how to do these effects? Create text and box. Create blur background and 3D text. Create moving video clip and text column. Remove background color. Zooming in effect. Moving text. Screen capturing. Adding subtitles or captions. And many more other effects, not only for your video but also to fine-tune your audio. In addition, you will learn how to upload and optimize your video in YouTube, and all the editing software are free for you. Click the Learn More button now to find out. See you soon.